Welcome back everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn big friend subtraction of one formula. You all know who are big friends and why they are called big friends. If you are not sure about it, do watch my videos on big friend subtraction. You can check the link in my description box. In today's video, we will be learning big friend subtraction of 1 and why we need to learn this formula. So here we have two sums. The first sum is 6 plus 4. Now plus 4 we all know the formula is plus 10 less 6 less 1. Now how will I do less 1 here? We all know the value of lower beads are 1, right? And no lower bead is touching the value bar. So I cannot do direct subtraction. Let me try small friend subtraction. Yes, because we know 1 has two formulas, small friend and big friend. Can I use small friend formula here? Now for small friend, what is the formula? It is less 1 is less 5 plus 4. So, can you see this 5? Is it touching the value bar? No, it is not touching the value bar. So I cannot even use the small friend formula. So direct subtraction and small friend formula is not possible. Okay, let us look at the next question. 7 plus 3 less 1. 7 plus 3. Plus 3 is plus 10 less 7. Now less 1. How will I do less 1? Again, direct subtraction I cannot do. Small friend also is not possible. So how can we solve this kind of sum? Now here we have to use big friend subtraction of 1. So in today's video, we will learn when and where we can use big friend subtraction of 1. Okay, who are big friends? Do you remember big friends? Big friends are the numbers which add up to total of 10. And the numbers from 1 to 9. Only the numbers from 1 to 9. You add any two numbers, you get the total as 10. Those are called big friends. Okay, now I have one finger here. How many more fingers I need to make it 10? Yes, I need 9 more fingers to make it 10. So, I can say 1 and 9 are friends. So, the big friend of 1 is 9. Correct? Okay, now let us write the formula. Less 1 is less 10. That is the base number. You can call it a boss number also. So, less 10 plus 9. So the formula for big friend subtraction of 1 is less 1 is less 10 plus 9. Now let us solve these sums with the help of this formula. The first one, 6 plus 4 less 1. 6 plus 4. Plus 4 we all know it is plus 10 less 6. Now less 1 is less 10 plus 9. So less 10. There are two steps. Less 10 and then we have to plus 9. Plus 9. So my answer is 9. Okay. The next one. 7 plus 3 less 1. 7 plus 3. Plus 3 is plus 10 less 7. And now less 1. Less 1 is less 10 plus 9. Less 10 and plus 9. My answer is 9. Always remember, we only use the formula when direct subtraction or direct addition is not possible. Now, let us practice some more sums based on big friend subtraction of 1 formula. That is, less 1 is less 10 plus 9. The first one, 10 less 1 less 7. 10 less 1. We cannot do direct subtraction. So less 1 is less 10 plus 9. Less 7. How will I do less 7? I can go for direct subtraction. My answer is 2. Next one. 24 less 4 less 1. 24 less 4. Less 4 I can do direct subtraction. Less 1. Less 1 again, the formula is less 10 plus 9. My answer is 19. Next one, 13 plus 7 less 1. 13 plus 7. Now what is the formula for plus 7? It is plus 10 less 3 less 1, that is less 10 plus 9. My answer is 19. Next one, 25 less 1 less 1. 25 less 1. Now less 1, how will I do? I cannot do direct subtraction, but what I can use here is small friend. So do you remember the small friend formula? So for less 1 is less 5 plus 4. Right? If you have missed watching my previous videos on small friend subtraction, kindly see the link in my description box. Less 1. Now less 1. So 23 is my answer. Next one, 31 less 1 less 1. 31 less 1. So this is direct subtraction. Now again less 1. Now this is going to be a big friend subtraction. That is less 10 plus 9. My answer is 29. Next one, 87 plus 8 less 1. 87 plus 8. Plus 8 formula is plus 10 less 2. Now less 1. Again less 1, how will I do? I have 5 in use. So I will do less 5 plus 4. My answer is 94. Next one, 74 plus 6 less 1. 74 plus 6. Plus 6 is plus 10 less 4. Less 1. Less 1. Okay. My answer is 89. Is it correct? No? Why? What is wrong here? Yes. Always remember there are two steps. Less 10 and then plus 9. Okay. Let's do it again. 74. 74 plus 6 is plus 10 less 4. Now less 1. Less 1 is first we have to do less 10 and then I have to do plus 9. This is a very common mistake students usually make. They forget to less 10 and they only add the friend and that's why they get it wrong. Okay, so answer is 79. Next one, 66 plus 4 less 1. 66 plus 4. Plus 4 is plus 10 less 6. And less 1 is less 10 plus 7. Am I correct? No? Why? What is wrong here? Okay, I added the wrong friend. Yes. Always remember, one's friend is 9. It is not 8. It is not 7. It is 9. It is very important to know your friends thoroughly. Let's do it again. 66 plus 4. 66 plus 4 is plus 10 less 6. And less 1 is less 10 and plus 9. My answer is 69. Next one, 16 less 6 less 1. 16 less 6. Now less 6 is direct subtraction. Now less 1 is big friend subtraction. It is less 10 plus 9. My answer is 9. Last one, 46 less 1 less 1. 46. Now less 1. Less 1 is direct subtraction. Now again less 1. And this one is small friend subtraction. It is less 5 plus 4. My answer is 44. Here we have solved all the examples using the formula. That is less 1 is less 10 plus 9. And that brings us to the end of today's amazing lesson on big friend subtraction of 1. Today you learn who the big friend of 1 is, when to use the formula, how to solve subtraction step by step, and practice more and more examples. You did a fantastic job today. Remember, Abacus is not about memorizing, it is about understanding patterns and training your brain. The more you practice, the faster and smarter your mind becomes. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our fun Abacus lessons. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima. And keep becoming an Abacus champion.